Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify server logs with AWS CloudWatch Agent, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify server logs with AWS CloudWatch Agent, first, ensure you have AWS CLI installed on your machine. Next, configure your AWS credentials by running the command AWS configure. Input your AWS access key ID, secret access key, region, and desired output format. After configuring AWS CLI, install the CloudWatch Agent using the package manager suitable for your operating system. If you are on Amazon Linux, use the command sudo yum install Amazon CloudWatch Agent. For Ubuntu or Debian, you would use sudo apt-get install Amazon CloudWatch Agent. Once installed, create a CloudWatch Agent configuration file. You can use the default configuration file template found in the AWS documentation. This template allows you to specify metrics and logs you wish to collect. Edit the configuration file to include your desired log file paths and log group details. Once you have updated the configuration file, save your changes. Next, start the CloudWatch Agent by running the command sudo /opt/aws/amazon CloudWatch Agent /bin/amazon CloudWatch Agent. This command starts the agent and fetches the configuration you previously set. To check if the CloudWatch Agent is running, use the command sudo system_status Amazon CloudWatch Agent. If the agent is active and running, you can now proceed to verify the logs. Navigate to the AWS Management Console and open the CloudWatch service. From the left pane, select Logs to view the available log groups. Locate the log group you specified in the configuration file. Click on the log group to view the associated log streams. Select a log stream to view the actual log entries collected by the CloudWatch Agent. Review the log entries to ensure they contain the information you expected. If the log entries are missing, revisit the configuration file to verify your log paths. You may also check the CloudWatch Agent logs for troubleshooting. These logs are usually located in /var/log/amazon/ssm/amazon CloudWatch Agent.log. If you make any updates to the configuration file, restart the CloudWatch Agent using the same command as before. Once the agent is restarted, go back to the CloudWatch console to check for updated logs. By following these steps, you can effectively verify server logs using AWS CloudWatch Agent. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.